I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Select Avada Forms as a trigger. Click on the Fetch button and go to your form page to submit it and fetch the Avada Forms. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to your integration site and here you can see that the Avada Forms fetched successfully. Change the data types of the email and phone number. Set action. Search and select an action. Integromat. Give here the webhook link. So please visit the Integromat dashboard. Click on plus icon and search webhook. Custom webhook. Choose a hook. Copy the link and paste it here. Body. Send all data. Application/JSON. Test webhook. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Now go to the Integromat site. Click on the plus icon and search for your desired app to send data. I am choosing Airtable. Get a record. Click on Airtable. Add. Select a base. Select a table. Map the respective fields. OK. Click on Run once. Now visit your form page, fill it out, and submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the Airtable page. And you can see the data came successfully in the Airtable. In this way you can send your data by using Integromat. Thanks for watching.